Hey, what's going on? My name's Javier. Welcome to thecycletherapy. And I know I haven't done a video in a while, but I did want to do a quick update video on something. So I recently purchased the FuelX Pro from powertronic, and I installed it on the vitpilen 401. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to do an in-depth review of this product. I tested out today. I took it for a ride, and totally new motorcycle just by installing that powertronic FuelX Pro. And just a quick update or a quick kind of review of what it does is pretty much it controls the amount of fuel it delivers to the engine, and it has like 10 settings for that. And wow, it was quick, easy installation. It took me like 15-20 minutes to do, and it's just wow, it's just amazing. I can't wait to do the video. I can't wait for you to see it in action and how it's installed and everything. But one of the things that I didn't like about the vitpilen 401 was, it was pretty clunky. Like it felt like held back on first gear and second gear, and I used to get a lot of sometimes downshifting. It would shut off. So I think this fixed the problem of shutting off. It hasn't done it since I installed it. And also, it feels just completely smooth on first and second gear. I'm so happy I purchased this. So I'm gonna share this video. I'm gonna share a link to help you guys find it. And later on, I'll do a video on how to install it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.